Hi guys, Dev-initly Mary here. Today we want to finish up our interaction with Ghost. Let us go for Unreal Engine for that. So we have to build something around. First you see I changed that. We now cast the actor first to BPI AI usable and add the usable to the array. If the cast fails, we try throwables, and in its success, we add it to the array. The same new way we go with remove from array. But that's not enough. Why is that not enough? I will explain it. We go here only over the begin overlap and end overlap. So let me show it to you. Oh, it goes. Starts here. At this moment, we have no begin or end overlap. All items in this box are in there. So we need to scan all items that are in the beginning on the ghost spot. So we did this here on event begin play. We take the interaction range, our collision. We get all overlapping actors here. We make an for each loop through this array and make a cast to throwables and add it into the throwables array. And if we try this out now, let's pray. On the base enemy, you see our picture is in the array. If our ghost comes out, the picture is not anymore in the array because he is too far away to interact with this picture. Easy. So if we come back close enough, the picture will get back into the throwables. Let us wait short and see what happens. You see the picture is back. So now we want the ghost to through the picture or anything he have in his array. For that we need this. Yeah, how exactly we get into this? Control pawn maybe goes to BP base enemy. And we want also wir wollen, sorry, no German. I found. I don't know why. Okay, we want to let some things fly. For that, we go into our BP base enemy. Here we had to get our array. Get throwables. Now we need to know anything is in throwables. So length. Then you need a branch and greater than, greater equal. Oh, we can only say greater 0. So we want to do only things if we got more than 0 items in this list. So then we make a copy of the zeros item here, and we want to cast it to BPI AI throwables here. And now you remember we got a function here. We name it remove through. that we want to use now. Make this, this, and this. So it's a little dirty, but Sunday is cleaning day. Then we will make it a little bit less ugly. So now from here we want to set physics linear velocity on the picture. That's very important. We want to move the picture. Then we want a random unit vector. But that's not all. We want to multiply it with a through-ring speed. So I will make it absorb I. To demonstrate, I multiply it by 1500. And add to current. So we want to add it up. So you have to go to picture and simulate physics. Check this. If you not check this, it won't fly. Compile, save. Now, oh wait short, I will bring the behavior tree for you. Here. So you can see it. I press play. Yeah, I moved my player over here so I can better look the time. We wait, and he have through it. If you see it, it's not on the same spot. I not really know where he has shattered it. Can we find the picture? The speed is, yeah, this is here. No, I will bring the speed a little bit down. It's too high to follow up. Again, restart, and you see here, he threw it down. The picture is now here. It works absolutely perfect. Now we take our ghost and bring him here to the door. Yep. So, and now we want to see if we use able. Yeah. For that we have to I will blend this out. We go back to enemy and you see begin play. We only take the throwables, cast fail, cast to BBI underscore AI usable, and we want to put that here. And here, yeah. And for that we need our door to get one more interfaces. Oh, he has it. Perfect. And if we press play on base enemy, we see he has the door in it. Perfect. That works like a charm. Now we want him here at the task. Cast to BPI AI usable, and we want him to make the remote interact call, and we want him to did this function. Now we have go to the door. We have to implement the remote interact. And now we want him to open the door a random bit on the Z axis. Yeah. Okay. Because it is not the highest stuff I make it before. So now we go for usable, length, good greater 0, make the condition, get the first index, cast it to usable, play the remote interact, and finish the executor. Now we go to BP door, copy all of that. Remember, this is our close mechanic. And here want now to open the door ever on 65. We could do a random number, but for now, for the base goes, let us say you ever want to open it to 65. Save it. I place the goes here. I place myself there. I want to change the direction. So now we see to our ghost. And our ghost opens the door perfectly. So now we get our ghost to interact with the door. Our ghost can interact with Throwable object. We can place many of them, and he will did exactly what he wants. Tomorrow is a cleanup day. On the cleanup day, we will go some deeper. So what I mean, and now we have pick where it is here. We pick 0 and 0 instead of a random index in the range. So this is a little dirty. All of that we will fix on the cleanup session tomorrow on Sunday. Yeah, yes. I hope you learned something. See ya.